Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to show you how to do the hydro jump start for plus 4 seconds of boost on the Dreamcast and PC version, as I believe these two are much more similar than their counterparts, the PlayStation version and the N64. So what you're going to want to do for this is obviously choose any boat you'd like and or level, of course. So you're going to want to hold brake immediately. You're going to want to accelerate, brake, accelerate when the numbers are disappearing, and that'll allow you to do that. In order to do the hydro jump, what you're going to want to do, hold brake, then hit gas. Hold brake, hit gas. Hold brake, hit gas. So that is how you do the hydro jump as well in the Dreamcast version. It's the exact same, I believe, as the PlayStation versions and N64. The only real difference is it is not like the PlayStation version in the sense that you can tap these two buttons simultaneously and jump. You have to hold brake for a split second and then hit boost. It is unlike the PlayStation version where you can tap these buttons at the same time and get your jump. That is not the case in this version. So please do keep that in mind. The Dreamcast version is quite a bit more difficult than the PlayStation and N64 ports, I believe. The N64 port I do not have very much experience with, so unfortunately I cannot speak on that version very well. So, but this is a very good game, and I'd highly recommend you try whatever version possibly you prefer. The PlayStation version is personally my favorite, however it is very easy. I will say though that I think in terms of speed running, I do think the PlayStation version is honestly, personally, in my opinion, better than the other versions just due to its controls. So, but as you can tell, we barely even won that with the medium boats and such. The Dreamcast version does not play around on difficulty. It is quite challenging. So if you're looking for a tough challenge, but a more or less fair for the most part, Dreamcast version is definitely a good contender for that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the speedrunning leaderboards, and enjoy. Thank you for your time.